Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. It's time now for the 8th chord progression. I hope you have enjoyed all the previous videos, that you are learning how to play the chords, applying my advices, this method of connecting the chords, that anyways is following classical principles that are applied, used and overused by great musicians, by great pianists and also composers, not only when playing but also when composing. In the last tutorial I've explained how to finally play chord progressions starting from the 4th. We had 6 chord progressions that were all of them starting from the 1st. Now indeed this time for chord progressions starting from the chord on the 4th. And if you have watched the previous videos, you know what I'm talking about. We are using just the chords on the 1st, on the 4th, on the 5th and on the 6th, and obviously we are moving them around. As I explained in the previous videos, by using just 4 chords we can generate 24 combinations. But let's dive into the lesson. So as mentioned, the last week, as you can see, we started from the 4th. Previously we had just the 1st at the beginning. Now I decided to start from the 4th, then I placed the 1st, then the 5th, and then the 6th. Today I am confirming not only the 4th, I confirm also the 1st, and I am inverting, same as I did every single time in the previous lessons. You see, I've been always inverting, once confirming one chord, twice the second place, and obviously confirming one that in this case was the 1st at the very beginning. I've been always inverting the last 2, and indeed today I'm doing the same. I have first of all the 6th and then I have the 5th, and let's see if we like this progression, if it works and if you find interesting for yourself. As mentioned in the previous lessons, I like to confirm that the principle that we are applying to learn these chord progressions is always the same. We confirm, we keep the notes that 2 consecutive chords have in common. From a maximum of 2 notes in common to 1 note in common, when for example the chords are, or the basses are 1/3 apart, to nothing in common when the chords are 1 second apart, so the bass and obviously the chords, the root of the chord is 1 second apart. Well, let's understand in practice what I mean. The left hand can be placed in this way, in this position, thumb on the C, little finger on the F, the 4th playing the G, the dominant, and the 3rd playing the relative minor, or the 6th, in this case the A minor, the A for the A minor. On the right we can start from this position, so we start from the root position. Now indeed, right hand playing the 1st chord, the F major in root position. Let's see how it goes. What did I do? As usual, moving from F to C, I have confirmed the C, because F and C they have 1 note in common, it is the C. Then moving from the C, here is in first inversion as you can see, to the A minor. A minor and C have 2 notes in common, that are the E and the C. I simply take the G of the C major and I move up to the A. And in this way, moving from C to A, I simply move 1 key up, 1 note up. The G becomes A. But then when I move from A to G major, from A minor to G major, the 2 chords have nothing in common, because they are 2 chords that will build up on 2 consecutive notes, and when the notes are 1 second apart, they have nothing in common. And I go to the right side, because the bass is going down, and I look for the closest notes of G major, and the closest are exactly these ones of the root position. This is what happens when we move, when we play this chord progression starting from the F in root position. Now let's move to the next, the F in first inversion, and we do. You might like it 1 octave lower. what happened. Same story. Moving from the F to the C, I save the C. You see? And then moving from the C to the A minor, I save the two notes that they have in common, that are the C and the E. I move up the thumb from G to A. And then to move from A minor to G major, I do this. Contrary motion, because the bass goes down, the right hand goes up, looking for the closest notes, the closest position of the G major. Let's do it again. F to C, from C to A minor, and then from A minor to G major. And let's play now in second inversion, maybe moving the right hand one octave down. So I start from F major in second inversion. Same story. I confirm the C, moving from F to C, and I move down F and A. See? Then, going now to the A minor, I keep C and E, and I move up the G. Then moving to the A minor, I have to look for the closest position, because they have nothing in common, bass goes down, and you play the G major in second inversion. Let's play all of them now, not stopping and giving maybe a little bit of interesting rhythm. From first inversion. Then in second inversion. I really hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. I really hope you've enjoyed the lesson, that you're really learning how to play the chords and that you're applying my advices, these suggestions, and you find them interesting and useful. Let me know please how it is going. If you found, as I suggested at the very beginning, the songs using these specific chord progressions. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. All the best.